guys, today we have an awesome Hello Kitty party with a lot of surprises, and we have two helpers, Pika and Charlie, because they had to be here. And I'm gonna help you open the Hello Kitty surprise. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let's get started. What is here? Here it comes. What is this? Wow, it's a Hello Kitty cup. Do you like it, Charlie? I think he does. Wow, look at this. It's a Hello Kitty cup. We're gonna put it right here. So cute. It has a cute Hello Kitty dancing there, and it is really cute. Yay! We also have... What is this, Pika? What is this, Charlie?
Like it. No, I like it more. I like it more.
A Hello Kitty pencil case! Pencil case! I think he likes it.
Oh, that is so cute.
Has some pencils. Oh, and some Hello Kitty sunglasses. What do you think, Charlie?
Hello, I'm Charlie. I will be your assistant. Oh, yes, I like the Hello Kitty.
Oh, I didn't think he likes it. Okay, sorry. Okay. Now we have something else. It's a Hello Kitty notebook. Ooh, it's kind of cute. Pika, do you like it? I think she does. Charlie says it's okay. What do you think, Charlie? Okay, he approves.
He approves to destroy.
Just kidding. Oh, wow! It's a Hello Kitty lunchbox. Yay! Oh, and it has a little Hello Kitty surprise. What is this? Let's see what is this. Oh, it's a Hello Kitty necklace. Wow! Also, in this awesome, cute lunchbox, we have this, so you can put it on and have a good night's sleep. Wow! What do you guys think? Oh, and what else is there? Wow! We have some awesome Hello Kitty jewelry. Yay! Some Hello Kitty jewelry. A ring. And some other cool stuff. Everything pink. We have this Hello Kitty puzzle. It's a Hello Kitty pencil case. Pika, did you see this? She's not impressed, but Charlie likes it. It's some Hello Kitty book or pencil case. Yeah, some Hello Kitty stickers. It's a Hello Kitty sticker box. What is this? Wow! What is this, Jory? It's some Hello Kitty puzzle. Ooh, fun! Something else is there. Hello Kitty candy. No, not for doggies. Sorry. Oh, do we see something else in there? Ah, it's a Hello Kitty egg. Wow, it's a tiny Hello Kitty. No, I don't think that's a toy for doggies. Not for doggies. Sorry. Aww. Charlie, what do you think? Give me 5 if you like this. Yeah, good job. We like it. One more egg. Oh, what do you think, Charlie? Oh, it's another tiny Hello Kitty. So cute, but not for doggies. We're gonna put it away right away so he doesn't play with it and gets in trouble. That's it. That's all we have in our Hello Kitty super surprised. Well, I hope you guys like our Hello Kitty surprise. and I hope you like our helpers. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Oh, somebody got sleepy. Too much fun, must sleep now. Oh, nothing for me. Nonsense. I like the treats. I like the Hello Kitty thing. But I was expecting more myself. It was fun. I enjoy working on this film. Fuck. Are you guys ready to go? Yeah, let's go for a walk.